Hello everyone, Mar here, and today I'm going to show you how you can go from having a private Instagram account to switching over to a professional one. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go over to Instagram. We're going to tap on our profile picture right here at the bottom, and we're going to select edit profile right here at the top left. Here you're going to be able to see different things like your name, your username, your bio, and right here at the bottom you're going to see the option to switch over to a professional account. So what is a professional account? This means that you're going to have access to different insights about your content. So for example, if you want to start creating content for you or for your business, I highly recommend you switch over. It also means that you can run ads on your Instagram and that you can earn money from Instagram from bonuses and subscriptions. So if you are sure that you want to switch over, go ahead and tap on next. Now here you're going to select the category that best describes what you want to do, the kind of content that you want to share. So let's say I'm an entrepreneur. I'm just going to keep it like that, and I'm going to select switch over to professional account. If you want your category to be displayed on your Instagram, you can toggle this right here on, and that will show it to everyone else. And then I'm going to tap on switch to professional account. Now remember, we do get a little reminder saying that if you switch over to professional, your account will be public. So anyone will be able to see your posts, your stories, or your reels. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK. Might take a few seconds. Now you simply have to answer one question if you are a creator or if you are a business. So let's say I'm a business and I'm going to tap next. Now you have to review some personal information, but if you want, you don't have to use it. I'm just going to press don't use my contact information. If you want to log in and do the same thing to Facebook, you can do that, but I'm going to skip it. That's it. It's going to give you 7 different steps that you can complete to have like a perfect professional account, but some of them are optional, like getting a Meta verified or growing your audience through ads. Now what you're going to do is just close this out, and now if we refresh my page, now it is public, and as you can see, I have the entrepreneur badge right here, meaning I have a professional account. And that's it, you guys. I hope this video helped, and don't forget to subscribe down below.